guys, good morning. This is Faith and with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for choosing to watch the video today. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you for joining us. I hope that you will like the video and decide to become a subscriber. Today we're going to do a quick, easy centerpiece. Can be for a bridal shower or a wedding. So what you'll need is these glitter, and I haul these from Walmart. And they are $2.98. So you will need about a half a teaspoon, which I did. Then you will need another about the same portion. I try to keep them equal parts. And of course the pink will dominate the white. Get a little bit more pink in there because I want to have a lot more pink. Then I do want some gold, but I want the gold, oh, it's not open. Let's pop it. Just a little shimmer, not a lot. So less than a half a teaspoon. I mean, it's going to be dark, so don't want it to be too dark. Just a little bit of gold. Ah, I think I like that. Yeah, maybe a little touch more. So, not a lot of gold. For me, I don't want a lot of gold. I want more pink to show. And this is white also, but it's the larger grains, and it has somewhat of a green shimmer. So I don't want too much of that either, because I don't want to have a lot of green showing up. I want more pink. And I think that looks great. Okay, so I think that's good. Create my sprinkles, my glitter, and what you will need is your glitter combined in the cup. You'll need a Dollar Tree cylinder. You will need Mod Podge. You can haul that from Walmart or Michael's. Joanne sells them as well. But sometimes I like to, most times I like to purchase my Mod Podge and most of my crafts from Michael's or Joann's because I can use a coupon. Walmart is comped in price, but of course you don't get a discount. For emergency, I will go to Walmart, but for most time, I like to get them from Joann's or Michael's. Not quite sure if I'm going to use gems, but I always try to keep this on the table. You will also need a floral arrangement, which is your choice, floral of your choice that you want. Place that to the side. You may need your glue gun and your glue sticks. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to use gems, so that will come in handy. You also need a cup of water with a paintbrush. These are the Dollar Tree stickers, and guys, I must tell you, I've not used these yet, so I'm not quite sure how. Let's open it up and see. Okay, so they're not attached, they're in the visuals. That's going to be a little while. Let's start with the bottom. So it comes with the adhesive on it, and they are in the visual. So you will have to be very careful to make sure you stay in line. So the glass already has a margin for me at the bottom, so I'm going to start there. And I have 2 packs. I don't know if it's enough, but we will find out. So I'm going to go ahead and take this as far as I can and see how I like it. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I like the pearl look of that, but I also decided that I wanted to add some diamond wrap. So I'm going to do a gold strip of diamond wrap. I'm thinking only two 2 should be sufficient, 2 rows. So, let's see my measurement here. Yes. So we definitely need to get our glue. Lay the glue down. Add the diamond wrap. I think that's going to make a big difference. I like it. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I also decided I wanted to add a little gem to the cylinder. How adorable is that? Totally love it. Okay, so now I need to prepare my Mod Podge. Just a little, it doesn't take a lot. So guys, I went ahead and as close to the diamond wrap as possible, went ahead and add my Mod Podge to the glass, the cylinder. When you feel as if it's well coated, then you can start your process with your glitter. Just make sure you are as close to the diamond wrap as possible. Now, I like to start with the top and then just let it fall. Just like that. Okay? So we're going to do that again, and then I will finish this up and let you guys see what it looks like. So sprinkle it on and then just let it fall. Just like that. Is that gorgeous? Love, love, love the combo. Just a hint of gold, and that's one of the reasons why I decided I wanted the diamond wrap, because there's a little hint of gold. And that white with the little green shimmer gives that sparkle. Love it. Okay, I'll be back once I'm finished. Okay guys, so once you've coated your glass, just hit the top to get rid of all the excess. Go around the rim. And this is what it should look like. Love, 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 love that. I think it looks great. I won't, normally I like to elevate, but I'm not going to elevate this cylinder today. So I'm going to put that to the side. And guys, this literally is taking about 5 minutes. It's not very long, so I love the process. These are at Michael's. I shared them with you. They are $9.99 and you get 50% off. So I thought that was a great, great buy. Let's remove this tag. What I want to do, I want to bend this because I want to insert it and I don't want to have it shown. But at the same time, I don't want to cut it because I want to be able to use it again if I needed it to be longer. So I'm going to just take my tape here. So you will need to have, you can use rope or you can use tape. Either way, I've shown you both ways before. I like to use the rope or the twine because of our yarn, either one, some kind of rope, because the paper, this floral paper does break and it doesn't hold, I don't think it holds it very strongly. So that's what we're using today, floral tape. So we've got that. And I want to fluff out my flowers. just like that. And I think I may go ahead and add a few gems. That's why you're to watch the entire video, because you never know when I may change my mind. I'm sorry, guys. But it's always to improve. So put a little dab of glue. Then I'm going to use my Walmart gem, the large one, because I want it to be visible. And I'm going to place it right there on top of the glue, just so my flowers can have a little sparkle, just like that. Little dab of glue, not a lot, because if you decide you want to remove your stone, you don't want to damage your flowers. 2 more, and then we can wrap this up. So I'm going to finish this up, and I'll come back, show you what the finished products look like. Guys, this is how it turned out. Absolutely love it. Give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends if you love the way this turned out. I thank you so much for your time and your support. I look forward to seeing you on my next DIY.